Kenny, what happened on those two?
Yeah, on the first of those two, we had to drive about probably 4 mile, sort of jammed in second gear, and we dropped a bit of time to the boys in there. We eventually got it freed up at the finish of the stage and went into the next one, and it was okay for about 2 miles, and it started playing up again. The screen is it's sort of gone through the gears on its own, you know, on the screen. But what's more, you know, you can sort of blank that out and forget about it, you know, but what's happening is there's something mechanical as well that's jamming the gears that won't let it change up gears. It sort of sticks in the gear that it's in, and it'll change down, and then it won't take a bigger gear. So a bit worrying now. We're going to have a look at it in service, see if there's anything we can find.
Is there any time for a box change?
We don't have a gearbox, so we don't have that problem.
Well, Noel, your car's just come down. What's been the problem here?
It looks like there's a broken gear in the box, so we've found the offending cog. We just hope there's no more lying loose. So we just have to try and find which one it is when we go out on the road to the next stage and try and avoid it and hope it holds together.
No place on the jacket. Right, get it up. Jack, no place, Jack. Who's getting the back? Yeah. Right. Take it easy. Take it easy. Right, in. Right, get the back.